This is Lenz stock number F6870A, a 2008 Chevy Avalanche. This is the LTZ package in gray. This truck is crew cab, short box with four-wheel drive, and has 143,000 miles on the 5.3-liter Vortec motor. It has factory fog lights, a roof rack, heated mirrors, and factory running boards. And it has the factory alloy wheels riding on Goodyear Wrangler tires. In back it has the same Goodyear Wrangler tires. And this Avalanche has the factory bumper and towing package. It has the factory hard plank tonneau cover. And inside it has a bed mat. And let's take a look at the interior. In the first row there's leather bucket style seating. It's in nice condition, free of any rips or tears, scuffs or marks. And this has wood grain accents on the center console doors and dash. And it's a very clean vehicle all the way around. It has a moonroof sunroof and a clean headliner. And there aren't any scuffs in the center console. And up in the dash this has AM/FM radio, CD player, dual climate control. It has a multi-function steering wheel and a turned-out four-wheel drive. There are power options on the door and on the seats. Let's take a look at the second row. It's very spacious with leather bench seating. It's in nice condition. And there aren't any kick marks or scratches on the center console. And just so you can see the odometer, it reads 143,372 miles at the time of this video. Now let's take a look under the hood. This is the 5.3-liter Vortec motor. And for more pictures of this truck or the over 500 vehicles in our inventory, please visit our website at lenzauto.com.